Did you know that most $3,000 plus engine repairs, like blown head gaskets, seized pistons, or fried turbos, could have been prevented by a simple 5-minute check that costs nothing? Here's the shocking part. Over 65% of engine failures in the US are linked to ignored maintenance you could have done in your own driveway. Manufacturers won't highlight it. Mechanics won't tell you unless you ask. And dealerships would rather keep cashing in on breakdowns. Today I'm revealing the once-a-month trick that not only prevents catastrophic failures, but can also help your engine last 300,000 miles or more. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share one bonus habit that even veteran mechanics forget, yet it silently decides whether your car survives or dies young. I've spent years digging through mechanic logs, service manuals, and OEM recommendations. The truth is, the owners who hit 500,000, 600,000, even 700,000 miles on their vehicles aren't always lucky. They're consistent. They do small, repeatable habits that prevent big disasters. And this once-a-month routine is one of the most powerful. If you've skipped it before, you're not alone. But after today, you'll know exactly how to protect your engine, keep money in your pocket, and avoid becoming another customer in line for a $3,000 rebuild. Secret number 1, the oil dipstick test. Most people wait for the dashboard light to warn them, but by the time you see that oil pressure light, damage has already started. Here's the truth. Every 30 days, pop the hood, pull the dipstick, and check your oil level and color. If it's low, top it off with manufacturer-approved oil. If it looks milky, you might have coolant mixing in, a sign of a failing head gasket. That's a $3,000 to $5,000 job if ignored. If it's jet black after just a couple thousand miles, your engine might be burning oil. This single check has saved drivers thousands by catching leaks and issues before they spiral out of control. Secret number 2, coolant reservoir check. Engines run hotter than ever, especially turbocharged ones. A $12 coolant jug can prevent a $3,500 warped head or cracked block. Once a month, look at your coolant reservoir. It should be between the low and full marks. If you notice constant drops, even without visible leaks, it could be internal, like coolant entering the combustion chamber. Experts agree, the fastest way to kill a modern engine is to ignore cooling system health. Secret number 3, air filter and airflow. Here's one most drivers miss. A clogged air filter forces your engine to breathe through a straw. That means poor combustion, higher fuel use, and raw fuel sneaking into your exhaust system. Overheating your catalytic converter, which alone costs $1,000 to $3,000 to replace. Once a month, pull your filter, hold it up to the light. If you can't see light through it, swap it. Simple, cheap, and it can literally double your engine's life. Secret number 4, belts and hoses inspection. Tiny cracks in a serpentine belt or coolant hose may not look dangerous, but when they snap on the highway, you'll lose power, steering, cooling, and sometimes timing instantly. Check for frays, cracks, or bulges once a month. Belts are usually $50 to $100, hoses around $30 to $60, but when they fail, towing plus engine damage equals $2,000 to $3,000. This is why seasoned mechanics always say, belts and hoses fail silently, then all at once. Secret number 5, battery and electrical health. A weak battery doesn't just stop your car from starting. It stresses the alternator and ECU, leading to $1,000 plus electrical nightmares. Once a month, check for corrosion on terminals. Ensure the cables are tight. If your car cranks slow, get a load test done before it leaves you stranded. Fun fact, AAA reports that most engine repair calls they get are actually electrical related. Preventive checks stop 80% of those. Now these first 5 habits already protect your engine from the most common killers. But the next 5, that's where things get crazy. I'll reveal why ignoring just one fluid can silently sandpaper your engine from the inside, why skipping a $10 part leads to $3,000 damage, and the bonus trick mechanics almost never admit that keeps your car young for decades. Secret number 6, transmission fluid check. Here's a brutal fact. Once a transmission fails, you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 minimum. Yet most owners never even glance at their transmission fluid. If your car has a dipstick, check the fluid once a month. It should be bright red or pink. If it's brown, dark, or smells burnt, it's cooking itself. If you see metal flakes, that's liquid sandpaper grinding your gears. Even in sealed transmissions, many mechanics use a simple drain and fill inspection every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Ignoring this fluid is like never changing your oil. Secret number 7. Brake fluid check. You may not realize this, but brake fluid is hygroscopic. It sucks in moisture from the air. Over time, that moisture lowers its boiling point, making your brakes spongy, unpredictable, and sometimes completely useless under heat. Pop the hood once a month and check the brake fluid reservoir. Healthy fluid is clear to light yellow. If it looks brown, flush it. Brake fluid flushes cost $100 to $150, but ignoring it can mean failed calipers, ABS modules, or even total brake loss, which is both life-threatening and expensive. Mechanics say brake fluid is the most ignored fluid in cars, yet one of the cheapest to maintain. Secret number 8. Power steering and differential fluids. Most people never touch these until something breaks, but once those systems run dry, replacement costs skyrocket. Power steering pumps, $400 to $1,200. Differentials, $1,500 to $3,000. Once a month, peek at your power steering reservoir. If it's low, don't just top it up. Find the leak. For differentials, check for wet spots or drips underneath your car. Catch it early and you'll save thousands. Secret number 9. Tire pressure and wear pattern scan. This one doesn't just protect your wallet, it saves lives. Underinflated tires increase fuel use, overheat, and can blow out on the highway. Once a month, grab a $10 tire gauge. Check all 4 tires, plus the spare. Recommended PSI is on the driver's door jam sticker. Look at wear patterns. Inside wear means alignment. Center wear means overinflation. Outside wear means underinflation. Skipping this costs you gas money every single week, and premature tire wear can easily waste $600 to $1,000 in a year. Secret number 10. Undercarriage scan for rust and leaks. This is the hidden killer most drivers never think about. A monthly 60-second glance under your car can expose oil drips, coolant leaks, brake line corrosion, or early rust. Look for wet spots, shiny drips, or rusted lines. If you see green, it's coolant. Red, it's transmission. Black, it's engine oil. Spot it early and you'll stop a $50 hose leak from turning into a $3,000 engine rebuild. AAA mechanics say that 80% of catastrophic failures they see had small visible signs weeks in advance. Owners just didn't look. Bonus tip. The maintenance logbook trick. This is the secret that separates 100K mile owners from 500K mile legends. Keep a simple notebook or use your phone to log every oil change, filter swap, fluid top-off, or repair. Why? Because patterns save engines. If you see oil disappearing every 1,000 miles, you'll know there's a leak or burning issue. If your coolant needs topping up every 2 months, you've caught a failing water pump before it destroys your engine. And when you go to sell, a well-documented maintenance log can raise your car's value by thousands. Veteran mechanics agree. A $2 notebook has saved more engines than a $10,000 extended warranty. Have you ever ignored your fluids until it was too late? Drop your story in the comments. Which of these checks are you already doing? And which one shocked you the most? Let's see who's the most consistent driver in the comments. If you learned something new, hit that like button. It tells me to keep bringing you money-saving secrets the pros don't share. So there you have it. 10 once-a-month habits that take less than 10 minutes each, yet prevent thousands in repairs. Check your oil, coolant, and filters. Scan your belts, hoses, and battery. Inspect fluids, tires, and your undercarriage. And never forget to keep that logbook. Do these and your car can live far beyond 300,000 miles. Maybe even join the Million Mile Club. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe, smash the bell, and keep your wallet safe from surprise repairs.